Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear Firefox history, including browsing and web data. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Without any delay, let's get started. Open Mozilla Firefox browser. Click on the lines icon, which is on the top right, as showing in the tutorial. Then, a drop-down menu will open. Click on History. Then, you will see the History options. Select Clear Recent History. Then, a small window will open. Click on the Time Range. Then, you will see drop-down menu will open. Choose the time range that you want to delete. As we want to delete the total history, check in all the options as showing in the tutorial. Then, click on OK. After that, restart the browser. That's it, history of Mozilla Firefox browser is deleted. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description.